Hello everybody, welcome to our market report. My name is Christian Charlo. Today we're Thursday, September 13th. Big day today simply because the Fed announced another round of quantitative easing. So it's quantitative easing number 3 today that the Fed announced. So I'm going to make today a follow-up because at September 6th, we talk about the market movement that happened, especially in the financial sector, on gold stocks, when the ECB announced its asset purchase program. So now we're going to make a follow-up. After the ECB announcement, the market surged, and now with the round of quantitative easing, there are other stocks that are performing well, but also there are some stocks that I've showed you on September 6th that are continuing their movement on this September 13th. So that said, let's go technical. On the Dow Jones, we're making a new high. On September 6th, that's where the ECB announced its asset purchase program. Now the Dow Jones is making a new high. The gold also is making a new high here. On September 6th, that's the movement it made. Now it is continuing its bullish cycle. And the financial sector in the US is continuing also its bullish cycle after the surge it made on September 6th. So which are the stocks where you can take some profits if you entered into them on September 6th? First of all, Petrobras Energy on the resources sector, on the energy sector especially, it was put here. Now you can take some profits in Petrobras. It is also reaching almost the top here at 1457. So you can take some profits in Petrobras. It is now officially overbought. So you have to take some profit. JP Morgan Chase, you can take some profits also, 6% ever since it was put here at 38.69, 38.61 when we talked to you about it on September 6th. Wells Fargo, too early to take some profits, but still, if you got in, you hold on to it because it's not taking enough. Only 3.5%. It's not worth it to take some profit now. And if you want to get into new stock today, there's a couple of them. Copper Mountain Mining, nice performance. Look. Not only the stock is reversing this downward trend here on the daily chart, but also if you look at this on the yearly basis, look at that important downward trend that has been reversed. The stock made a ride, is stabilizing, and now it's going back up. I know you can't really see it now, but look. So it made a ride, now it's stabilizing, and now we have a second movement here. So there's some potential on the upside for Copper Mountain Mining. And also there's FX Energy. The volumes are on average. If you look at this also, the stock reversed its downward trend here, made a nice ride, stabilized, and now it's getting back up. So we like those type of movements when a stock, after reversing its downward trend, is able to maintain some momentum, stabilize, and now getting back up. So FX Energy is another example of that. And let's not forget Oncotrion, which is also pretty nice because it is keeping a nice upward trend, as you can see here. And also the stock is just leaving the oversold situation. There's still some room to go before we reach the overbought situation. So with this FOMC announcement, yes, there have been tons of breakout, but you should favor stocks that are not oversold, that not overbought, I mean, that are leaving the oversold situation towards the overbought situation. So there could be more potential on the upside. And if you got then on the stocks of September 6th, including Petrobras Energy, JP Morgan Chase, take some profits. Elsewhere, Wells Fargo, it's a hold, and new opportunities today at September 13th on the FOMC announcement or Copper Mountain, FX Energy, and Oncotrion. So this is Christian Charler from decisionplus.com. See you next week for our market report. To learn more about us, go to decisionplus.com on the section free trial, try marketguru.tv.